Here's how to create your first agenda. Since everything is template driven, let's log in as an admin and go to the admin console and the meeting agenda settings. Let's create our first template. Let's call our template normal. You could name it whatever you want. The first person that would appear in the agenda, the first person that speaks at a meeting, and I'm just choosing, is the Sergeant at Arms. Sergeant at Arms, first thing they'll do is tell everyone to turn their cell phones off. Then they'll lead the pledge, and they'll introduce guests. And your club could be different, of course, but it's just a sample. Let's say that takes 5 minutes, and it's not a role for members to sign up because Sergeant at Arms is an officer role. The next person to appear in the meeting, the next person to speak would be the President in our case. And the President, what's the President do? They take care of business. And the President, maybe it'll take 7 minutes. Again, not a role for them to sign up for. Save. Always click the save button. Making an edit. The next person to appear would be the Toastmaster. Now, Toastmaster has a special function, a special ability. You could assign this to anybody, but generally, the Toastmaster is somebody you might want to allow to edit, and that's just a reminder saying, hey, would you like that? Yes, you would. What is a functionary? They do is they introduce the functionaries. Say that takes 7 minutes, and it is a role for people to sign up. There's the option for them to edit the meeting agenda. Click Save. Let's do one more. Say the counter. There's no description. They're just going to introduce the role, and 0 minutes because it's part of the Toastmasters function to sign up to take care of the functionaries. Save. Make sure you set your agenda start time. Let's say the meeting starts at 6. If you want to move something around, there's 2 ways of doing it. One is to take time and literally drag and drop, or you could use the arrow keys to move items around. Click Save. Go to the default meeting description. You can change your name to whatever you want. You can put whatever you want in here. You can even add pictures. That's a picture. You can add your own. Under global settings, there's a couple things that I like to choose, and that's for somebody, when somebody takes a role, I'd like to have the meeting Toastmaster and the VP Education notified. And when somebody drops a role, same thing, Toastmaster and VPE. There's other options. You'll just have to play around with them. You can experiment with them. Click Save, and you're done. Close and close.